Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to setting your camera on iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and to set the camera we need to go into the settings. Just need to click it, and after that we need to scrolling down until we found camera. Okay, we found it. And after you find the camera, you just need to go click it to open it. And the first thing you have to set to get a better camera on your phone is just go in the formats and please choose high efficiency, and then you can go back. And now you just need that scrolling down until you found a smart HDR. In this smart HDR, you just need to turn it on until it's in a green color, and after you're done, now you're ready to use your camera. Let's go into the home screen and slide your screen into the left side into the app library and just type camera to access the camera. And now you're ready to capture your moment with your camera on iPhone. So that's the way how to settings camera to get a better efficiency or quality for your picture. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.